Now it's time to unbox a brand new gadget with someone who looks suspiciously like Miss Georgie Barrett.
Yes, c'est moi. Now, Greg, have you ever experienced a situation where you simply could not believe your eyes?
Well, I did see the producer getting around in at the Christmas party recently. Does that count?
Are you saying he's very tight with money?
I'm just saying he's very careful. Why'd you ask, anyway?
Well, these spectacles will help you see the world in a completely new light.
What, are they magic glasses?
Yes, they are. I mean, sort of.
Okay.
They're called Spectacle 3, and they are the third generation of the Snapchat glasses. Do you remember they were out sort of a couple of years ago?
Yeah, they looked a bit geeky and naff.
Yes, these have had a premium upgrade. I mean, check out that case first and foremost.
Well, it's a lovely box for a start.
It's a really
isn't it?
nice box.
Wow.
There they are. So instead of being sort of plasticky and a little bit gimmicky, I think they look pretty close to designer sunglasses. They actually look quite good on you.
They look quite cool, don't they?
Exactly. So the upgrade that we have here is that we have two HD cameras on the front, which means that obviously you can take your photos and videos, but you can also add 3D effects and AR effects. So I thought I could put them on.
Okay.
And show you exactly what we can get up to via the Snapchat app.
So you have to pair it with the phone then?
Yes, you very much do have to pair it with the phone, and even to transfer your photos to the phone, you need to sync it up. So let me take a photo of you. This is the only thing, you have to really tell people that you're going to take a photo of someone, so smile.
Okay. There you go.
Beautiful.
All right.
Now we head into the Snapchat app. It creates its own Wi-Fi signal within the sunglasses that then communicates to the app. I can import it like so, and then that allows us to sync it up. So what do you think? Do they suit me?
They look really cool,
Yeah?
but it's starting to get really complicated to take a photograph. It's like it's gone back to the old days.
The photo is now imported. I can now edit that, and that creates, I mean, you look rather manic on it, but that creates a slight 3D effect. Can you see? And
I can see it. It looks like I'm floating in front of the background.
Yes. So he also has 4 microphones inbuilt on the sunglasses as well. So I'm going to do a little video now, OK? So...
OK.
Don't say anything inappropriate, Craig.
I never do.
Hello, you're on camera.
And is this going to be like a 3D video now?
So yeah, it's a 3D video, and also you can add sort of augmented reality filters, which I think is very snap, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody loves a filter on Snapchat. So they cost £330.
£330?
Yes.
It's a bit expensive.
I know, but how much would you pay for a designer pair of sunglasses?
Move on.
£200?
Move on.
You'd pay more, wouldn't you? I knew you would. I knew you would. So I think if they actually double up as your sunglasses as well, then, you know,
Fair
not
enough.
completely unreasonable. And you get 200 photos out of one charge, and you can also charge it via the actual sunglasses case.
OK.
OK, let's have a little look at the video. So if we go into that and edit, so there it is, normal. But then we can add these quite fun filters.
Oh, yeah.
I quite like this one.
The
Sort of looks
balloons.
like there's different balloons.
Do you not think it's just a bit of an expensive gimmick, though, George?
What I do like is that they are actually passable as a pair of sunglasses. And I think that's the first time we've come across like one of these, you know, augmented reality headsets where actually they look quite good. So I'm impressed with that, but I still don't think they quite do enough for me.
I can think I've got one good use for them. When you're DJing, you've got your hands full and say someone's in the crowd doing something quite crazy, you could just press it and take a 10-second video of them in the crowd.
As a security measure.
No, but you know what I mean? Like, you know, you never know.
Surveillance.
Anyway, we must move on.